Hello, we have developed a solution which is meant to increase monetization, improve economy, and this is based on blockchain. And our team comprises of B and Ramesh, Sudarshan, Paras, Manikant, and Prahalad. Okay, the problem statement. Currently, the government has around say 13 lakh crores worth of rupee notes, and India has about 130 crores population, and this comes to around 10,000 rupees worth of currency per person. And considering we have to generate so much of assets, so much of growth, so much of wealth, and all this has to be done with just this much money, 10,000 rupees per person, is impossible. And and also we cannot keep printing more notes because of inflation. And this problem also existed in Europe and America in 1900, and they have been able to solve this by bypassing this problem. Okay, here in Europe and America, what they have done is they have allowed companies or group of individuals who are smart, or who want to develop assets, who want to develop wealth for the nation, to issue shares and raise capital. And these shares are traded by the market, and the market tells whether these people have done good or bad. And then using this as a bypass to the shortage of money supply. I mean, because of shortage of money supply, whatever could not be achieved, they are able to achieve by using this technique. Okay, I have given two links. These two links. If you go through this, you'll understand. Uh, um, for creating wealth for the nation, or to create jobs, or to create assets, we don't need to just stick to one monetary type of currency itself. We can use whichever uh, whichever technique is good. And also there are pros and cons of this, and the cons can be taken care by regulation, and also by helping people with education, so that they can we can control the cons. And at the same time, pros we need to encourage, because this is the world order right now, where raising cryptocurrency, or raising shares is quite is a normal. Okay, so now we'll go to the, I am creating a platform to monetize and improve economy overall. uh, and it has some built-in features, unique features, because of which we think it will be very successful in India, and it is very good for India. Okay, and the proposed solution can be used say for monetization of assets, monetization of greed, demands, educational fees, street vendors, sales in shops, future sales, future assets, and future monetization of movies and creativity, etc. Currently in this app, in this application, I am just looking at uh, housing, residential houses monetization. And I'm planning to concentrate only on those that are not having legal problems, and easy to appeal to the people. Okay, and I'll be demonstrating how it can be used for funding Swachh Bharat, and also create funds for owners to spend. Okay, using this technique. Okay, how blockchain is used? Blockchain is used to ensure transparency and accountability. Okay, what we have done, we have developed an app which uses the following technologies: Ionic 2 framework, multi-chain, Node.js, Firebase, and MongoDB. Okay, and here this is the front end of the portal, where we are issuing assets. I mean, we are issuing shares on the residential asset. Okay, and then here this is displaying the list of assets available in particular shares, which are available in a particular area, which people can buy the shares. Okay, and here this is the portal where it is displaying various properties on which shares are available. When they click on this buttons, they can buy the share or sell the share, and all these things happen in blockchain transactions. And here you can see the share owner having purchased shares in some areas, Jainagar by 20 shares 1500 rupees, and Koramangala 3500 rupees 20 shares, like that. So the here whoever has money, they will keep buying the shares whenever they have it, without needing to worry about the litigation problems, all those things. Okay, here the homeowner, we can see that uh, say number of trades, 300 share trades have happened, and the current value of the share is say 5000 rupees, and because of which by calculating he got an income of $150. I mean, basically here it has to be rupees, but typically he is getting some income while he stays in the house, still he gets income. So this is the unique feature of this particular solution. And in all the solutions I am planning to propose, I am planning to ensure that the good reasons, when people follow, they should get rewarded. That is something I am ensuring, because of which the house owner gets paid. Okay, and he doesn't have to take loan here. Okay, we will see in the next slides more details. Okay, and here the revenue model is 1% for my company for every share trade, and 0.5% goes to the house owner, and 0.5% goes to Swachh Bharat for every transaction. And if the area is very clean and house owner is taking responsibility, we will have a Swachh Bharat index. Based on that, we will say give 0.8% of this whatever transaction amount to the house owner. So there is a reason why he has to keep the area clean. And wherever the area is clean, Swachh Bharat fund based on the index, maybe Swachh Bharat takes 0.2%. Okay, and we have done some survey of people who may be interested in this idea, and this is the say the current Indian real estate market size, and what we are targeting is around 40% of that. Okay, and here this is the growth plan. And we have also checked various laws and regulations. Probably we need to work with the government if it need to be addressed, because overall our purpose is to ensure something good for the economy. Okay, and here is an example. Assume the property is 1 crore worth, and the owner has paid say 60 lakhs to purchase the property. And basically the rule tells, our plan rule is, anybody who owns more than 51% of the share is the considered as owner, and he gets paid for whatever share transaction happens. Okay, and say the shareholders who have purchased around 40 lakhs worth of shares, and say the share price is 5000 rupees, and per month say 200 trades happen on his share, and then which comes around 10 lakhs worth of trade, and the owner gets 0.5% of that, and which comes to around 5000 rupees income. And also Swachh Bharat gets 5000 rupees income. Okay, and then the owner he has reason to keep the property clean, as well as the owner gets don't need to take loan. Okay, owner does not need to pay interest on loan, instead he gets paid while he stays in the house, and people are happy to spend the money earned for national causes like Swachh Bharat, education of the poor, etc. Okay, currently we find that money circulation is less, and there is difficulty for them to uh, think of anything other than their own needs, because the economy is very tight. Okay, okay, currently in India we are not using opportunity to solve people problem. We are willing to People are willing to work, people want to be honest, but we have not created platform for them. Okay, so my intention is to provide a platform to help them. That's all.